In this video, we will see how to add bookmark in Safari browser. This video is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mac Mini. In order to add any favorite site to your bookmark, open the Safari browser first and go to that favorite site. For example, my favorite site is canva.com. So I will go to canva.com. If you want to add this site to your favorites and in your bookmarks, just click on this share button and click on to the add bookmark. In this way, it will ask you to add this Canva site into your favorites. If you want, you can rename the site or you can just add your description. So I will just add description Canva for design, which I'm using it for, and I need to click on add. Once you add this one, close this browser and open the Safari browser again, and if you go to this bookmarks, so this will appear in your left side menu of your left side menu of your Safari browser. Click on the bookmarks and you can see this is the site that we have added as our favorites. In order to delete anything from your bookmarks, just right click on it and click on delete, and it will be deleted from your favorites on your browser. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.